We begin with Aranyakandam. After a few years, Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana journey southward along the banks of the river Godavari, where they build cottages and live off the land. At the Panchavati forest, they are visited by a Rakshasi named Shurpanaka, sister of Ravana. She tries to please Rama to get him to marry her, and after failing, attempts to kill Sita. Lakshmana stops her by cutting off her nose and ears. Hearing this, her brothers Kara and Dushan organize an attack against the princess. Rama defeats them and other Rakshasas.
When the news of these events reaches Ravana, he resolves to destroy Rama by capturing Sita with the aid of the Rakshasa Maricha. Maricha, assuming the form of a golden deer, captivates Sita's attention, and entranced by the beauty of the deer, Sita pleads with Rama to capture it. Rama, aware that this is the ploy of the demons, is unable to dissuade Sita from her desire and chases the deer into the forest, leaving Sita under Lakshmana's guard. After some time, Sita hears Rama calling out to her. Afraid for his life, she insists that Lakshmana rush to his aid. Lakshmana tries to assure that Rama cannot be hurt that easily and that it is best if he continues to follow Rama's orders to protect her. And so she pleads in the song, Yarindu Raghavane, Yennini Ramma.
Yarindu Raghavane, Yennini Ramma. Yarindu Raghavane, Yennini Ramma. Yarindu Raghavane, Yennini Ramma. Yarindu Raghavane, Yennini Ramma. Yarindu Raghavane, Yennini சொன்னீரோ அரீரோ நீரம் மாயாரென்று ராகவனை எண்ணி நீரம் மாயித்தையறிந்து சொன்னீரோ அரீரோ நீரம் மாயாரென்று ராகவனை ஏராத வார்த்தை இது ஏராத வார்த்தை இது வசையோடொக்குமே பாரில் ஏராத வார்த்தை இது வசையோடொக்குமே பாரில் ஏராத வார்த்தை இது வசையோடொக்குமே பாரில் ஏராத வார்த்தை இது போ